Hey you guys, it's your girl Nini, and today I'm back with another video, and we're going to be talking about Amazon influencer video tips for your first 3 videos. This is part 3 of a video series, so make sure you guys go and check out part 1 and 2. I will put the link to them in the description of this video. So within this video, I'm going to show you 3 of my video examples, and then I'm going to break them down and also give you tips. And before anything, make sure that you guys do your own research, review official guidelines and resources, and remember that this is not official advice. These are only my opinions and my experience that I'm talking to you guys about. If you would like more help from me, feel free to check out my ebook, Becoming a Product Reviewer. It goes in depth about reviewing products, creating those product review videos, and how to make them successfully, in my opinion, as well as 2 video examples and tutorials for editing and filming. Without further ado, let's jump into my number 1 tip. The first tip we're going to go over today, and that's to always be honest. Within your video reviews, be honest with the customer about your experience. There's definitely a way to do this without bashing a company or a brand, but I do think that it is good to share your honest opinion about how the product worked for you, especially if it's something that's supposed to solve a specific problem or do a specific thing. It's good for the customer to know how it worked out for you. Don't be afraid to actually say that and let the customer know what to expect when they get their product, or just share your experience on what you got when you got yours. Moving on to the second tip, and that would be to share your shipping experience. I feel like this is not something that's like always talked about in product review videos on product pages, but it's definitely something that myself as a customer wonders about, and that's talking about how the product comes shipped. So this can be an option to include in your review video. For example, did the product come broken? Is it fragile? Is this something that you have to put together so it comes disassembled? Is that the right word? Disassembled? I think that's the word. So now that we've gone over tip 1 and 2, we're going to jump into my first video example. I'm going to break it down and let you know what I did in this video. So let's go ahead and jump into video example number 1. I've been working out every day, and I decided to step it up by getting the coated barbell weight in the size 5 pounds. This weight comes with a comfort grip and has definitely elevated my workout. That was video review number 1, and that example is an example of a product review video that I actually did myself. I highlighted some key features of this video, and I also demonstrated how to use it. This is a barbell. It comes with like a special comfort grip aside from the other types of weights that brand has. I also made sure to let the customer know exactly which one I have, which is the 5 pound weight. Tip number 3 and 4 is something I would suggest for your later videos down the line. Not necessarily your first 3, but I personally tried to switch up the length of my videos. I look at my videos as like a portfolio, and instead of having them all the same length, I like to try different lengths so I can compare and contrast the success of each one. And tip number 4 is very similar. I like to not only experiment with different lengths, but also different video types. So in my ebook, I talk about different types of product review videos that you could try and create. For example, UGC style that may not show your face. I don't want all my videos to look like that. I do want to show my face in some. I do want to switch it up and compare and contrast how successful each one was for me. So we do have another video example, you guys, that I'm going to show you, and then I am going to break it down for you once again. And of course, if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We're trying to hit 300 subscribers. Thank you to everybody who is already subscribed. This is the heat-resistant silicone pouch for hot hair tools. I got it in the color gray. It's a thin and flexible pouch. Here's the look on the inside, and I'm excited to use this. So for this video, instead of demonstrating what it can do or how you can use it, I'm simply highlighting the key features and showing them. I'm also getting really specific about the color, the material, and what it's used for in this review. I'm also not showing my face in this review as well, so I would consider this more of a UGC style video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put it in the comments down below. I love to hear from you. I will talk to you guys very, very soon in my next video. Hope this video helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.